All right, these got postponed, so real quick, we got the Air Jordan 5 Fire Red. I think that's what they call Fire Reds. Yeah, we call them Fire Red, yeah. With that Nike Air on the back. Yeah, real quick. Good material. Ain't got that tumble leather, but you can tell without this shoe tree in here that you got some room that ain't gonna crease up real easy. Fire Red Jumpman on the bottom. That new shoe smell. 3M tongue. Yeah, these are everybody. Yeah, they waiting on these. So resale right now is up there because they keep getting pushed back. So yeah, these zit in hand and they look nice. I think I sold all my other fives, so this will be my only pair of fives right now. So yeah.